Hello class 5th. Today's topic is angle. What is angle? An angle is formed with the help of two rays and a common endpoint. Here is an angle which has common endpoint O and two rays OA and OB. Here O is said to be as vertex of the angle and two rays are known as arms or side of an angle. The sign of an angle is this. Now how to name an angle? You can name an angle using different sets of English alphabet or numbers, like here angle A, B, C, angle B, angle 1, etc. But there are some rules to name an angle. The first rule is the name of vertex is always written in the middle. Like in angle ABC, B is a vertex and B is written in between A and C. Now second rule is you can name an angle either by full name or you can simply write down only vertex name like angle A, angle B, angle C, etc. Now third rule is you can also name an angle with a numeral also like angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and so on. So these were the rules which you should follow while naming an angle. Now interior and exterior of an angle. So the point which lies outside a given angle are exterior of the angle and the points which lies inside the given angle are interior of an angle. So here is angle XYZ and the exterior points are R, S and T and interior points are A and B. I hope you all have understood. Now solve exercise 7.2 in your copy and send me. You can also ask for any doubts. Thank you.